So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new product here, which is the Interphone.
Can I be your superhero?
An intercom for the helmet for everyone. So this is a UK product, and let's go ahead and do an unboxing. But before that, I would like to introduce you that this is the Interphone, and this is the Pro kit, the Pro sound kit, and it has better sound systems for the helmet, and it is available for Shui, Shark, HJC, and Schubert. So let's go ahead and unbox this Interphone. So here we have the Interphone Sport. So Interphone Sport is like others. It has the main unit itself. So okay, let's go ahead and check out the package. So what do we get in this box? But this particular one is meant for a dual kit, but I only got a single one because I only need one. So we start up with the long box here. So you have the user guide and the warranty terms. So there's many languages to be read in, and you have the boom mic. The boom mic is for most of the jet helmets or the modular helmets. So next we have the speakers. This is the stock speakers on the Interphone Sport itself, or you have the wired mic as the option. So we'll go ahead and put this aside. Okay, next we go for the other box. So this is the clamp kit for the Interphone. You have the option to mount it with the bracket or the 3M adhesive mount. So it's your choice to choose whichever you want, and you have the adapter to increase the height with this, and that is just in case that your helmet is a bit thick, so you have to have the extra clearance for the clamp kit. Then we'll put this aside, and next we'll go ahead and check the other box out. So this is the velcros that are provided for you. So the extra velcros and the spacers for the speaker, and the boom mic foam so that it can reduce wind noise. Okay, and so next, the final box is the cable. So you have the charging cable with you. And one thing about this Interphone, this box is actually quite unique. So one side you see is the product itself, and the other side is actually the text specs that you can read through. So this one is having about 20 hours talk time non-stop, and it's IP67 rated, so it's confirmed waterproof. And you can do intercom and stuff as well, and what you get in the box is also stated here. So let's talk more about this Interphone unit itself. So this is actually, I feel that the buttons are being placed at a quite good position, and they have these indentations to let you know where's your hand position at. Even though when you're wearing gloves, you still can feel it. And the tactile feel of the buttons are, it is quite good, and it's the feedback of it lets you know that you've already pressed the button. So this is so Interphone Sports, you can actually connect up to 4 devices together, and even though that you can connect more on other devices, but it will be a big mess because you wouldn't know that who is talking.